Good morning, class. Today we're going to continue with non-textbook lesson, which is lesson 3, writing informal letter. Now please turn to your English workbook, page 4 and 5. So number 1, read the instructions carefully. Baca arahan. And then number 2, write it in about 80 words. So, tulis dalam 80 patah perkataan. Do not write too long. Jangan tulis panjang sangat. Then number 3, elaborate your points. Huraikan, explain it and give more details. Okay, meaning you have to give examples, explain your reasons. Okay, now let's look at the steps. Macam mana nak tulis informal letter, step by steps. Step 1, opening. It's like your introduction. Okay, this introduction is only can be used for informal letter. For short message, for email, usually you don't say this. Okay, so guna untuk informal letter sahaja. Okay, for example, you can use how are you doing? How are you? How is it going? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are well. I hope you are in the pink of health. Okay, itu for example, opening. And then step 2. Why are you writing this letter? Kenapa kamu menulis surat ini? Why? So, you want me to... So, this one, the phrases of the days, you have to get it from the questions. So, ambil balik yang kamu tengok dekat soalan. So, let's say, so you want me to give you some advice. So, I heard that you have a problem. So, get it from the question. Ambil daripada soalan. The reason why I write this letter is to, okay, give your reasons. Okay, next, step 3. What is the first suggestion? Apa cadangan pertama? Okay, so when you want to give your suggestion, you may start with, in my opinion, pada pendapat saya, I think that you could, you should, you can consider. Consider maksudnya mempertimbangkan. Kamu boleh mempertimbangkan. Okay, you may want to. So that is your first suggestion, cadangan yang pertama. Okay, why do you suggest that? Kenapa kamu beri cadangan itu? Okay, you have to elaborate. This is because this would be beneficial to you. Beneficial maksudnya memberi faedah. It would boost your confidence. Maksudnya menaikkan lagi, tambah lagi keyakinan diri, confidence. You could gain more knowledge, dapat lebih banyak ilmu pengetahuan. It is very important, sangat penting that. So give your reasons. Why do you suggest that? Okay, done step 3. Step 4. What is the second suggestion? Cadangan yang kedua. How to do this? Okay, number 1. What is the second suggestion? So, it's quite similar to step 3. Just repeat. In my opinion, I think that you could, you should. Just choose one. Okay, pilih satu saja. Let's say you want to use in my opinion. Then use in my opinion. Alright. How to do this? Macam mana nak buat, nak jalankan cadangan tu? How? So, you may use for example, for instance. For example, sama saja dengan for instance. So, kamu beri contoh how to carry out the suggestion. Macam mana nak buat cadangan ni. How to do this. Okay. Step 5. Okay, close. Penutup ni. Close it with positive notes. I hope that you will succeed. Saya harap kamu akan berjaya. I hope my suggestions will help you. Saya harap cadangan saya akan membantu kamu. I wish you the best. I am sure you can do it. Get well soon. Okay, kalau sakit lah, get well soon. Okay, choose a suitable closing. Pilih penutup yang sesuai. Alright? So now let's look at the questions. Page 4. Oh no, this is page... Yes, this is page 4. The examples. Contoh. Okay? So this is the format of informal letter. You see here at the top right, the address, okay, alamat, and then the date, tulis tarikh, and then Dear Azura. Okay, as usual, how are you? I hope all is well. Okay, this is the opening. My school is going to organize Earth Day campaign next month. So, sekolah saya akan menganjurkan kempen Hari Bumi Earth Day campaign next month. As the Science Club President, I need your suggestion on what kind of activities that are suitable for the campaign. So dia minta cadangan, aktiviti apa yang sesuai, suitable, sesuai. Do write back. Bye. From Zamri. Okay, so in about 80 words, write a reply to Zamri by suggesting some activities for Earth Day campaign. So tulis, balaslah letter, informal letter, surat tidak rasmi by suggesting some activities. So dia nak kamu beri cadangan aktiviti apa. Okay, step 1, opening. You may use, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Okay, step 2, why are you writing this letter? Kenapa kamu tulis surat ni? Okay, so you want me to suggest some activities for your school Earth Day campaign, don't you? So ni kamu ambil dari email yang sebelum ni, daripada soalan. Okay, step 3, what is the first suggestion? My first suggestion is tree planting activity. So tanam pokok. Get people to plant trees around the school compound. Okay, why do you suggest that? Kenapa beri cadangan tu? The air quality will be improved. So, kualiti udara semakin baik. Next, step 4. What is your second suggestion? Cadangan kedua. My second suggestion is to pick up rubbish around your school compound. How to do this? Macam mana nak buat ni? Pick up rubbish. Maksudnya kutip sampah. Groups are assigned by your club teachers to work together to clean up the rubbish. So maksudnya assign group. Bahagikan mengikut kumpulan. Okay, clean up the rubbish. Okay, that's all. And then step 5, close it with positive notes. Okay, penutup. I hope the suggestions given above will help you make the campaign a successful event. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye. Alright, done. So this is the example. Okay? The address, alamat, the date. Hi Zamri, how are you doing? Okay, this one is opening. I hope you're doing well. So, this is the reason. Kenapa tulis surat? So, you want me to suggest some activities for your school or the campaign, don't you? Okay, first suggestion is tree planting activity. Okay, why? Get people to plant trees around the school compound so the air quality will be improved. Okay, next, my second suggestion is to pick up rubbish around your school compound. Groups are assigned by your club teachers to work together to clean up the rubbish. And then, your best friend, Azura. Alright? So remember, give 2 suggestions. Bagi 2 cadangan and then elaborate, huraikan. Why? How? Okay, so your turn. Turn to page 5. Read the letter sent by your pen pal from Thailand. Okay. So ni ada informal letter. Dearest friend, how have you been doing? It's been a long time since I last wrote to you. I have a lot of plastic bottles in my kitchen. What should I do with them? I'm thinking of selling them for some money. What do you think? So, by Vichai. Okay, so Vichai ni dia ada banyak plastic bottles. I have a lot. What should I do? Apa yang saya patut buat dengan plastic bottles tu? I'm thinking of selling them. So, saya fikir saya nak jual for some money, boleh dapat duit. What do you think? So, in about 80 words, write a letter to Vichai, tulis surat, giving him some advice. Okay, beri nasihat. You may use the words in the brackets or your own ideas to complete the letter. Okay, so just like what I told you just now, give 2 suggestions. Okay, bagi cadangan and then give your reasons. explain why, explain how. Okay? Please do it and hand in your work through Google Classroom. That's all.